Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Imagine waking up every day knowing you're financially free. Your money works for you, not the other way around. In this video, I'm sharing 3 proven strategies the wealthy use to build and secure their future. Let's dive in. First up, create multiple streams of income. Did you know that millionaires on average have at least 7 income streams? Start small. Explore investments like dividend stocks, real estate, or online businesses. Diversifying your income protects you from financial downturns and speeds up your journey to wealth. Next, master the power of budgeting. Financial freedom starts with controlling your spending. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. The trick is to automate your savings, pay yourself first, and finally, invest early and consistently. Compound interest is your best friend. Even small, consistent investments grow massively over time. Platforms like ETFs or retirement accounts like Roth IRAs or 401ks are perfect tools for steady growth. Building wealth isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Which of these steps will you start with today? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more actionable tips like these, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Financial freedom is closer than you think.